Estate Planning for Retirees, a comprehensive guide to Medicaid, taxes, and long-term care. You've spent your whole life building something, your home, your savings, your retirement accounts. But if something happens to you now, a stroke, dementia, a fall, would your family know what to do? Would your assets be protected from probate, from long-term care costs, from taxes, or would everything you've built slowly drain away? One bill, one mistake, one legal delay at a time. Here's the truth. Retirement isn't the finish line for estate planning, it's the starting line. Because the biggest risks to your legacy show up after you stop working. I'm Jason Gray, estate planning attorney in Washington State, and I work every day with retirees just like you. Maybe you've created a will, maybe you've thought about trust, but you're not sure if it's enough or if it's too late to plan at all. Let me tell you, it's absolutely not too late. Today I'll walk you through a simple, powerful roadmap for estate planning and retirement, covering Medicaid, long-term care, taxes, and how to preserve your legacy while protecting your loved ones. If you're retired, your needs are unique. You're not focused on growing wealth anymore, you're focused on preserving it. And at this stage, 3 new threats become especially dangerous. Number 1, incapacity. What happens if you can't make decisions anymore? Number 2, long-term care costs, which can wipe out your savings in a few short years. Number 3, taxes and probate, which can shrink your estate and delay your legacy. But with the right estate plan, you can protect your assets, your dignity, and your family's future. The 5-part framework for retiree estate planning. Number 1, set up a revocable living trust. If you only have a will, your estate is headed straight into probate, a court process that can take months, even years, and drain thousands in legal fees. A revocable living trust avoids that. Here's how it works. You create the trust and move key assets into it, your home, bank accounts, brokerage accounts. While you're alive and well, you control everything, nothing changes. But if you become incapacitated or pass away, your successor or backup trustee, someone you choose, steps in without going through court. It's faster, private, and gives you total control over how your assets are distributed. Number 2, protect against incapacity before it happens. Retirement is often when health issues begin. And if you suddenly can't make decisions, who can act for you? You need these 3 documents. A durable power of attorney lets someone handle finances if you're incapacitated. Advanced healthcare directive outlines your medical wishes like life support. HIPAA authorization allows doctors to speak with your loved ones. Without these, your family could face a court process just to help you called guardianship, which is slow, public, and often heartbreaking. Planning now avoids all of that. Number 3, plan for long-term care without losing everything. Here's a hard truth. Medicare does not cover long-term nursing home care. If you need assisted living or in-home help long-term, you could be looking at $5,000 to $10,000 per month out of pocket. So what do? This is where Medicaid planning comes in. With the right strategy, you can qualify for Medicaid without going broke, protect your spouse from poverty, use irrevocable trusts to shield your home and your savings, avoid penalties from the 5-year look-back rule. It's legal, ethical, and life-changing. But the key is start early. Even if you're healthy now, planning ahead gives you options when it matters most. Number 4, minimize taxes now and after you're gone. Estate taxes are changing again. In 2026, the federal exemption is set to change, and we want to make sure that your family is paying as little taxes as possible. Here's what you can do. Use credit shelter trusts if you're married, gift assets strategically within annual limits, retitle real estate or investments to optimize capital gains, review your IRA and 401k beneficiaries. Inherited retirement accounts can have serious tax consequences. Proper planning today can save your family tens or even hundreds of thousands in the future. Number 5, build a legacy plan, not just an asset plan. Estate planning isn't just about money, it's about the impact you leave behind. Ask yourself, do your children know your values and wishes? Have you written a personal letter explaining your decisions? Do you want to leave a portion of your estate to charity, your church, or a cause you care about? Have you set up safeguards to prevent family conflict over inheritance? You can even structure a trust that supports your grandchildren's education or provides for special needs. This part of the plan ensures your story continues, even when you're no longer here to tell it. Let's clear up a few myths I hear all the time from retirees. I already have a will. I'm covered. Wills go through probate. Trusts avoid it. I'm too old to do Medicaid planning. Not true. Even late-stage planning can preserve assets, especially for married couples. My spouse will figure it out when the time comes. No, without clear legal authority, they could be powerless. I don't have enough to need a trust. If you own a home, you have enough. Probate fees on a $400,000 house can be brutal. Even if you've done estate planning before, retirement is the perfect time to review everything. Update your trust and will, powers of attorney, beneficiary designations, asset titles, insurance policies. Check that everything aligns with current tax laws, Medicaid rules, and your personal wishes. Make sure your family knows where to find your documents and what to do if something happens. Estate planning is not a one-time event. It's a living process, and retirement is the best time to get it right. Protect your peace of mind and your family's future. You've worked hard. You earned your retirement. Now it's time to protect it and make sure your legacy is handled with care. If you're ready to get your estate plan in order or review what you already have, click the link below and schedule a free consultation with our team. We'll walk you through the exact steps based on your age, health, finances, and goals, so your family never has to wonder what you would have wanted. And if you found this helpful, check out my next video. YouTube thinks it'll help you protect your legacy even more.